Hi, I'm Owen Smith. I'm a partner of 4Bio Capital, microbiologist by training, spent some time in corporate finance before moving to venture about a decade ago. Been working with 4Bio for the last 6 years. Prior to that, I was at Arix Bioscience, working with a number of early stage cell and gene therapy companies, most recently Sparing Vision and Bionautis. 4Bio Capital are a UK headquartered venture capital firm investing globally, so investing into the UK, Europe, and the US, into early stage advanced therapies and emerging modality companies. For us, that's cell therapy, gene therapy, RNA, biology, microbiome, and targeted approaches. We're happy to form companies. We're happy to seed companies, Series A and Series B opportunities. Predominantly, we'll take a leading role in the companies, so building financings and working with founders and entrepreneurs to build the business plan and play an active role in governance as the company transitions towards the clinic. This is one of the marquee meetings for cell and gene therapy. This and ASGCT are two conferences I try to make sure I attend every year. It's a good opportunity to reconnect with academics and postdocs that we've known for years, catch up on their research, as well as speak to early stage biotechs in this space. I think really in the complex biologics, advanced therapies, emerging modalities, attention to detail is actually everything. And so it really does pay to actually listen to what people are experiencing. You can pick up on a lot of negative experience as well as just the headline positive data, which is at times quite valuable for our portfolio companies and helps us become better investors and custodians of capital.